YSL Couture Mini Clutch? Really? Did it look like a clutch? I don't think so. Did it look like a mini? I don't think so. Look at this size eyeshadow inside. Are they mini? They bigger than Chanel, right? I think they tricky us. $68 palette. All palettes, I'm not sure, but I think like 8 or 6 right now it's available for sale. $68 again. It has this like fancy logo, YSL. Probably a lot of you who's gonna finish one of this eyeshadow palette somehow wanna rip this logo and put on a fake bag. Just kidding, but I do see some people do this. Yes, I'm telling you. This is mini couture collection, come in 7 different colors. Today I feel I want to show you how to use this palette, and it's Kasbah Spice. It's basic looking colors, but let's create something fabulous, right? Let me swatch for you, let me feel this eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna create fabulous look just for you. We have with you 3 matte color, and one it's sparkly one, it's right here. It's hard to see, I will not say it's too pigmented, but matte eyeshadow, it feels really good. Okay, we know here we have a 3 matte and 1 shimmer color. It reminds me Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow, but they feel totally different. And now let's put this beautiful eyeshadow on my eyelid. I have already on me foundation and I feel my little bit eyebrows. Let's put little bit foundation on my eyelid, and then we're gonna use this beautiful, supposed to natural and fabulous eyeshadow palette. Sorry. Okay, I come a little bit close to the camera. I want you to see what I'm gonna do. Big blending brush we need, and we're gonna use a light matte eyeshadow first. And this light color, I'm gonna just like a press, put in close to my brow bone. And now I can feel texture of eyeshadow. I'm gonna apply on entire my eyelid. I'm setting my foundation, which one I have on my eyelid. So far, this looks good. First color looks pretty, and I like how eyeshadow sits on my eyelid. Oh, let's go with second color. Now it's time to use second color. We're gonna use this one, and of course I'm using again big blending brush. And second color I'm gonna apply right here on the corner, and I'm gonna go just little bit up and pushing this product again up above my suckle area. This is suckle area, and I pushing again little bit up. Again, we're applying a corner and we're going up. And I'm gonna reapply a few more times. Second color, I will not say have lots of pigment. I need to reapply a few times and build color. So far eyeshadow look good. You know what, let's put little bit more this second color underneath, just very softly. Now I have a flat brush. We're gonna use again this matte eyeshadow, first eyeshadow, which one we use with you, and now I'm gonna apply right here. Also, same light eyeshadow. I'm gonna apply a little bit more close to my brow bone, just right here. So far it's pretty, it's not too bad, right? Now I need to curl my lashes, and I love for my I'll say structure Laura Mercier lash curler. It's the best one. Now I'm gonna use the darkest color in this palette, and I have a small tiny brow brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and you can see it's like angle one. I'm gonna use for this eyeshadow. And we're gonna apply very close to my lashes this color. Again, it's your darkest color. Let's reapply few more times because this eyeshadow don't have much pigment. They're really soft. Yes, they give me color, but it's not intense or rich. Voila, I'm feeling very exotic. What do you think? And I apply very little this darker eyeshadow underneath. I'm gonna use big blending brush, and I'm gonna blend. I really like this look, and I'll be honest with you, I really want this big black eyeliner winky line, but I can't after 45. Yes, I will be soon 46. My eyes is one it's more open, another one is a little bit down. This is why it's better if you want to create this winky line, use eyeshadow. It looks more natural, it looks more soft, and it's not obvious showing your one eye right there and another somewhere right there. But it's true, this is what's happened after 45, yes. Again, using still a blending brush, I'm gonna slightly little bit soft and push this eyeliner, pushing this eyeliner again underneath, and then I am gonna use my foundation sponge, and I'm gonna clean up this, and it's gonna look way more sharp and more pretty. Just like this, it's clean, give me this nice beautiful lift. I like this trick. One more time, let's add this light eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply right here. I think this eyeshadow palette looks beautiful on me. I like it's not too much, it's clean, colors look soft, make me young. Like I'll say, I feel young and sexy. If you like this look, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Love you more than ice cream. Happy holiday. But this is, it's so easy application. Oh, and it looks so pretty, right? For this shimmer, I'm gonna use my finger. I'm just gonna apply right here. Okay, and just like reapply a few more times to build these sparkles. I'll be honest, these sparkles looks better on my eyelid than when I swatch on my hand. It's got a little bit more color, more intense, but I will not say like it's intense, but it's enough. This is what I need. This is pretty. Wow, look at these sparkles. It's so pretty. What do you think? I think it's very pretty. Now it's time to put a little bit mascara, maybe bright lipstick and blush. We're almost done. I like my lashes to look full, and I always need lash primer. Today I'm gonna use Chanel lash primer. This will make your lashes look like separate and will give you extra volume. And then I'm gonna use Yves Saint Laurent mascara. mascara is done, and now we need a little extra. I'm gonna use Jaclyn Hill powder, and it's a brightening light banana powder. I love how bright this palette or how it looks on my skin. And I'm gonna use big Chanel powder brush. I apply a little bit on my brush. I'm just gonna little bit set under my eyes, just a little bit, and then rest of my face. I look a little bit pale, and now it's time to use this beautiful Hourglass palette. You can use this for eyes, you can use this for face. You have everything: powder, blush, highlighter, bronze. It is expensive, $90, but look how much products you get in here, and it's just perfect for everyone. I'm gonna use small brush. It's a powder brush from Chanel, and we're gonna use first bronze. And I'm using underneath because I want this sleek, beautiful look. Like I don't have second chin. Now I'm gonna apply bronze right here, and when I apply it, you can see I do like circle emotion, and I pushing up this bronze again. It's a beautiful color, texture, very good quality. And same bronze I'm gonna apply close to my hairline. I am keeping this area a little bit less bronzy because I want this extra lift. Bronze is definitely give me this extra pop. Now we need to put highlighter, we need to put blush, and you know what? I'm gonna apply this bronze a little bit kind of on center of my nose, but it's not like you really see it there, just very little. And then I'm gonna use my little finger, and we're gonna use this light powder right here, and I'm gonna just apply a little bit right here and right here on the nose, on my nose, sorry. And again, it's not like it's showing like I have a huge big contouring. No, it's just to enhance or to look a little bit better. Now I'm gonna use this color, and it's very unique. Looks like it's a bronze and powder together, but actually this is beautiful highlighter. Time for blush. I'm gonna use these two blushes together. You know, for this look, I feel this blush a little bit too rosy. I need something different. Let's use Chanel 430, and it's a fuchsia rose. This will look way more better on me. This is definitely better, and today I feeling I want a red lipstick. Usually I always go to nude colors, but today I want a red pop. For my lip liner, I'm gonna use Clinique Intense Passion number 5. It's a beautiful red lip color. I actually in love with Clinique lip liners. They're retractable, they stay so good. And for my lip color, I have a mini Saint Laurent lipstick. It's number 21. It's a beautiful red color. Wow, this is beautiful, like red blue lip liners. Red blue, it always looks good on me. Wow, look at this pop of red. Yes, our eyeshadow looks so natural, but this red lip color, it's bringing me to a Christmas mood, or I will say Happy New Year. Okay, love you more than ice cream. Let me know if you want me to make another different video with different Yves Saint Laurent eyeshadow palette. Again, love you more.